Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to do a quick Hobby Lobby haul video. Went and I was really looking for a small little fountain to put at in my craft room. So they had different ones, and so I chose this tiered rock LED fountain. It says it's 8.86 by 5.98 by 3.94, and this was 40% off, so discount on that one. They had several ones, but I think I liked this one best because I do want to hear the sound of the water as it trickles. There was one that was rocks, just like smooth rocks, and that looked kind of cool, but I just didn't know if you would hear the sound of the water as it dripped down. And I also like the lights here. Now this says it operates on, but you can see it here, on a 3-volt adapter, which is not included, or 2 AA batteries, which is also not included. So I'm going to check and see if we have an adapter, hopefully. Otherwise, we'll use the batteries for that. I also saw this. It's a little colander strainer, and I thought, and you can adjust it to the sink. So I thought this would be kind of cool because the colander I have doesn't really strain as much water, so I figured this would be kind of nice. So this was, sorry for the noise, $11.99 and 40% off. Then I also saw this, and I thought it'd be kind of cool to get too. It's a microwave pressure cooker, a 2.5 quart capacity. This was $14.99, but also 40% off. And they only had this one in this one color, so I thought I would open it up to show you what it looks like. It does have here, it says recipe pasta, how much to put of the type of pasta with the water, and then the cooking time. So I thought that was cool. But I saw it had for rice, and that's really the main reason why I wanted to get it. So recipe for white rice, the amount of water, and then the cooking time. So let's take a look and see what it looks like on the inside. If you hear my husband, he's watching the basketball game, but just wanted to show you that this says it's for microwave only. So it has an adjustable little vent here. And let's see. It's nice. It comes with its own little measuring cup and a little spatula. That's cool. All right, so let's see what it says here in this booklet. So it has in here instructions and recipes, how to cook the pasta, how to cook white rice, other types of rice dishes, stewed chicken, steamed mussels, and some helpful hints in cleaning. It does say it is dishwasher safe, so that's kind of cool. All right, so that's for this one, and I'm kind of glad it came with its own little spatula, so looking forward to using that. Then the other item I bought was this mini canvas panels, and this is the Master's Touch, and this is 50% off. And I haven't really gone down into the canvas sections because I just wasn't looking for anything, but I don't know if this is new or not, but I would like to try this with my watercolor, metallic watercolors, as well as my white charcoal pencil. So I thought that was cool. They also have watercolor canvases, like the hard canvases. So I thought that was kind of nice and neat. So that might be something I might try in the future. And then the last thing I bought was this decorative washi tape. So there's different tapes in here, different sizes, and this was at the discount price of $14.99. And the reason I got this, besides still using collage, is also for my watercolor cards. I thought this would make a nice little background or little frame for any of the watercolor cards that I might make. So again, different sizes, really pretty. So that's about it. That's all I got. Not much except for this and this as far as for crafts. Mostly these home spring shop items. So hope everyone's doing well. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Take care. See you soon. Bye.